Hello everyone, welcome to the weekly ad circular channel. Today we have very great deals on Kroger. Prices are valid from October 5th to 11th. Let's get started. 18 ounces blueberries, $2.99 each with card and digital coupon. 32 ounces Kroger Cheese, $5.99. 42 CT Frito-Lay Multipack, $17.99. Aha Sparkling Water, $11 when you buy 3 with card. Apple or Pumpkin Pie, $2.99 each. Arm & Hammer Liquid Laundry Detergent, $5.99 each. Arnold Wide Pan Bread, $2.49 each. Bai Beverage, $7.99. Ballpark Hot Dog or Hamburger Buns, 2 for $6. Belvita Breakfast Biscuits, 2 for $6. Ben & Jerry's Ice Cream or Non-Dairy Frozen Dessert, 2 for $9. Black Box or Bota Box, $16.99. Boneless New York Strip Steaks, $8.99 per pound. Boneless Pork Chops, 10 chops for $10. Boneless Pork Loin or Assorted Pork Chops, $199 per pound. Brach's Candy Corn or Autumn Mix, $1.99. Broccoli Crowns or Red Tomatoes on the Vine, $1.29 per pound. Bud Light Seltzer, Das Equis or Heineken, $12.99 each. Bud, Miller, Coors or Weekl, $25.99. Butterfinger, Crunch or Baby Ruth Fun Size Candy, $3.99. Calidad Tortilla Chips, 2 for $4. California Roll Sushi Combo Box, $9.99. Charmin Ultra Soft or Strong Bath Tissue, $18.99. Cheetos, 2 for $6. Chocolate Brownies, $5.99. Cinnamon Stick Bouquet, $9.99. Clorox Disinfecting Wipes, $11.49. Coca-Cola, Pepsi or Big Red, 3 for $14. Coca-Cola, Pepsi or Big Red, 4 for $13. Coffee Mate Creamer, 3 for $10. Comforts Diapers Jumbo Pack, $3.99. Corona or Modelo, $25.99. Country Crock Spreadable Butter, $3.99. Crock Pot Manual Slow Cooker, $39.99. Cutie's Seedless Mandarins, $4.29. Dave's Killer Bread Organic Bagels or English Muffins, $4.99. Deer Park Natural Spring Water, $3.49. Degree Ultra Clear or Advanced Deodorant, $5. Dove Bar Soap, $7. Downy or Downy Infusions Liquid Fabric Softener, $8.99. Easy Build Haunted House, $12.99. Edge or Skintimate Shave Gel, $1.49. Espal and Tequila Blanco, $23.99. Fairytale or Knucklehead Pumpkins, $5.99. Fanta Soda, 10 for $10. Febreze Plug Refills, $7.99. Fisher or Field Hot Dog or Bologna, 10 for $10.
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, and for more videos, please like and subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to get new video updates.